Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful Happy New Year's backdrop. It is very easy, very simple. You can make it within a few minutes very easily at home. All you need for this decoration is black color paper, gold color glitter paper, and gold color crepe paper. This is originally a New Year's decoration, but you can also use it as a graduation decoration or as a birthday decoration. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you can stay updated on all my future uploads. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special. A very happy new year to all of you. Wishing you all the best in the year 2020 and all the upcoming years. May it prove to be a lucky year for you all. Health, happiness, love and success. Once again, a very happy new year to everyone.